Caplugs is an industry leader in domestically manufactured plastic molded components, making onshoring easy for your business. With over 75 years of experience, we are your one-stop solution for product protection, with extensive in-house custom plastic molding capabilities, including our open-end thread protectors, called the OE series. OE series caps provide a clean, professional look while protecting threaded pipes and conduits during shipping, storage, and transit. This series is available in two styles, with a grip it and rip it tear ring designed for easy removal, or without. Choose from a wide range of sizes and colors based on your needs, all manufactured in ISO-certified U.S. facilities. With the most standard plastic parts in-house and ready to ship, plus a team in your corner, Caplugs delivers what you need, on time and on budget. Our dedicated project team will work with you from design and production to fulfillment, including regional sales and industrial account managers, inside sales representatives, sales engineers, and customer service representatives.